replace this mirror glass, I'm going to stick a pry tool behind it, a plastic pry tool. You can put tape over it, masking tape, in order to prevent the glass from shooting out if it does happen to break. Definitely wear gloves. And what you want to do is kind of just pry out on it. I'll show you the new one. It's got tabs on the back that hook on in the middle, and what I'm trying to do is just pry them off of whatever they're attached to. So go on the side like that. It's not going to be a great feeling, that's for sure, but you kind of have to pry till it pops off. There it goes. There's your mirror. So on the original mirror, you have this spring tab thing here, and you're supplied with a new one for the new mirror. Slide it into this slot right here, press it in all the way. Now let's install the new mirror glass. Take the mirror glass and again try to line up all these tabs with this centerpiece, and this clip goes right behind this part here, goes on this side to make sure it doesn't go on this side. Line it up, press it on. Oh, there we go. I think that's it. Okay. Now you can go ahead and test it out and, of course, position it where you need it.